Time to trade like a pro. Don't quit, don't trade with intuition. Charts on the screen, every move calculated, sharp and clean. Rule number one, gotta have a plan. No chasing pumps, no weak hands. Stick to the script, no panic, no doubt. Discipline in the game, that's what it's about. Markets move wild, try to trick your mind, but patience and structure gon' keep you aligned. Trade like a pro, wait for the candle to close. Trade like a pro, wait for the candle to close.
All right, guys, we're gonna trade like a pro. We gotta wait for the candle to close. That's step number one. Everything's messed up. I have no idea why, but everything is messed up. But it's okay though, because we're gonna roll with the punches. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Is the camera fixed? Let's find out. Nope, not fixed. I knew it was gonna fix, or rather when I rebooted the computer, it's like, are you kidding me? Like we're 6 minutes late. And so we'll just have this for now. So that really, oh my gosh. Everything was fine. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let's get started. Let's say hi to the chat really quick. Let me go ahead and pop out this chat really quick, just so we can catch up on everything. So let's go to chat. And first up, we're going to say hi to Mike. Mike was first, the bingo with the bangos. Very nice. We have a DJ and Brian. DJ and Brian has a new song. And for this one, we're going to play that song at the very end. He wanted a metal song about don't thrash the crypto wallet. Don't thrash his crypto wallet. So we're going to play that at the very end. Hopefully y'all like it. There's always a plus to any kind of bad situation. Like right now, there's no camera. The benefit is I can unplug the lights. Oh my gosh, the lights are blinding. So I just did that. DJ and Brian, what's up? What's going on? Okay, so I made that metal song for you. Hopefully you like it. Today's Saturday. Yes, indeed. What's up, Steve? Appreciate you, man, being here. We're going to go through crypto bubbles, the liquidity. We're going to go over your coins, any questions that you have, all that fun stuff. All right, going down the list. In reference to plans for Saturday, I just looking at the charts, seeing how we can make some money. MetaMask just announced about upcoming rewards on X. Hey, there you go. I don't use MetaMask. Who uses MetaMask? I haven't used it in, a few years, about 3-4 years. There's so many other dexes. It's, for one thing, I do not like the Ethereum gas fees. But I'm pretty sure now they have the other gas fees. Let me just check on my camera. And no. Okay. We'll see if it comes on or not. I'm very disappointed in that. Thanks, Elgato. More like El Nato. El Nada camera. Thanks. Appreciate you, man. All right, moving on. All right, going down the list. Let's see here. Going down the list. So just informing everybody what's going on. Okay, catching up. I don't think I've missed anything. Got a big bag today, and that would be of Clash, I believe it was. Yeah, I think Clash. Okay, going down the list. Also look at Karma. Okay, so we can look at Karma. Now, for me personally, like, are these coins gonna make money? Yes. You know, it's just, man, I wish I wasn't so thick. You know, back in the day, I used to trade a bunch of just junk and I would make a bunch of money. I would lose a bunch of money too. So we're going to look at Karma. Hopefully. Karma. Got it. And this one's for DJ and Brian. Okay, I think that's the first one that we saw. It's on ETH. Okay, Karma is a neobank on Solana. Okay, awesome. See here, iOS app incoming. Very nice. That's always good to have. Almost done with this. All-time high inbound. Very true. The blockchain brood. What's up, buddies? What's going on? Very excited. Hopefully we can get together and I can be on your show again. I believe hopefully this coming week. We'll see. But let's go down with the list. I probably just need to reboot the computer maybe like 2 times or something. Normally I just put the computer to sleep because I don't like waiting for it to load up everything. And I realized, you know, after having it for a few days of just waking up from the sleep, it messes up on me. But it's something that happens. We got Melissa in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you. See here, going down the list. See, Dan O does. Okay, and WixY 589, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. Question, would you leave your 40 QK where it is or move it somewhere like Webull public? I'm not sure what you're asking. Question, would you leave your 40 QK, what's that, where it is, or move it somewhere like Webull or public, etc.? Are you asking about taking money off the exchange and putting it into a different exchange? Why would you do that? I don't understand. Do all of you see? Ask me that question, but use more words. My brain is very simple. I need the who, what, where, when, why. I don't know what QK is. Are you just like 40 grand? Where it is? Where is it? Is it in the bank? Is it on an exchange? Is it in a crypto wallet? Like who, what, where, when, why? Like it's so important. So many people don't know how to ask questions. When you're running a show, like it's like, dude, I don't know what you're talking about. So hopefully you can answer that question. All right, David Brumbelow, my man. What's up, buddy? I emptied MetaMask a few years ago. I still have junk on there. I have no intentions. Yeah, fun in it. Yeah, it's just the whole 401k. Okay, so now it's like a puzzle. Now I have to come back. I have to try to find it. Okay, question: would you leave your 401k where it is, or move it somewhere like Webull public? I'm assuming public is a bank. Maybe public account. Webull is an exchange. So if I had a 401k, what would I do? Would I leave it where it's at, or would I go into the market? I would take some out because you get penalized if you take it out early. But I would take some out and put it in crypto so that hopefully that money can make more money. But then I would definitely cash out though in about a month or so. But I wouldn't take it all out, because what if the coins that you pick go south and now it's like, oh man, I have my 401k and now it's a 101k because it went on to zero. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's see here. Going down the list, I believe I'm catching up with everybody's chat. Okay, Melissa's in the house. David, awesome. Okay, going on the list. Okay, bingo and a bango. Let's go. Very good. Okay, my Discord. Yeah, definitely join the Discord. So in the Discord, I gave out some tips today. Of course, for me personally, I don't like Discord, but everybody's on Discord that trades, I guess. I love Telegram. Telegram is super incredibly easy. I'm not going to beat that dead horse again. Make sure to smash the like. Thank you guys. Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you very much. Okay. And we caught up with the chat. All right. Very good. So let me put this back over here. It's on the live chat. And right now we're looking at crypto bubbles on the daily. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. But everything else, meh, meh. How about the hourly? Hourly. Looking okay. Does this mean Bitcoin's going up? Possible. Gonna find that in just a second. Right now we're looking at the altcoin season. Are we going to have everybody posting about altcoin season again? Well, we're at 61. Yesterday we were at 66. What happened? Could Bitcoin be at an all-time high area that there's resistance? Possible. Possible. Let's go to the liquidations heat map. On the liquidations heat map, we're going to refresh this. This is going to be on the 24 hour. We can see that we're coming down here. We're bouncing. We're tapping some of this liquidity right now. And then went up. So for all the liquidity traders out there, please understand there's liquidity going to the downside and the upside. How is liquidity created? As price goes up, liquidity is to the downside. As price goes down, liquidity is to the upside. Liquidity can stop price action can take as much liquidity or as little liquidity as it wants. And this is why I, like when you're trading this, I do show liquidity on my charts, but we don't necessarily say that it's going to these areas. If it breaks levels, there's a very high chance that it might go, but it could reverse at any moment. And that's one thing that I always stress, that it can reverse at any moment versus, you know, what other people say is like, oh, it's going to take this and it's going to take this and it's coming down here and here's where we're going to bounce. Really? Like, you know all that? Shoot, man. Like, let me join your group because you know what's going to happen. And here's the thing, like, nobody knows what's going to happen. There's a lot of people that have a really big inflated head, but they get humbled because, again, you know, like it works until the market decides, let's change it. And then they get humbled and then they post about it sometimes. Let's see here. So we do have some really nice liquidity up here, 38 million, 31 million, then some more and some more, starting at 122,869. We have some really nice liquidity down here, 32 million, then some more really nice, 38 million. And this kind of starts right around 121. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Who's here, guys? Who's here? Put a 1 in the chat. I want to see who's here. I want to see who's here. So once again, we have really nice liquidity towards the upside, really nice towards the downside. Which way we're going to go, I don't know. I just know that if we break this level, we have a really high chance of it coming over here. If we break this level, we have a good chance of getting all this liquidity down here to finally come down here. That's what we have. Let's see here. We have to boost Discord. Let Joe upload bigger files. Yeah, if y'all want to, you know. So here's the thing. Like I put a lot of stuff in my VIP group. Well, for one, they're paying for having access to me. Not only me, but my very talented group of admins. But I put a bunch of stuff that's needed. I don't just put junk just to put junk. There's times where I'll just post like once a day, you know, just this is what I'm looking at, or because nothing's happening. Like I get messages, story time. I get messages from, you know, people that are in the group. They're like, man, Joe, I'm really glad that you don't just post just to post. And these people, they're in other groups and they're like, yeah, man, like there's times where I'll leave for a few hours or I'm at work or whatever. I'll come back and there's like 45 messages and you go and it's just nothing. It's just to like fill the time. It's like, yeah, man, we don't do that. Like your time's valuable. I don't want you clicking and it's like, it's just nothing. You know what I mean? All right, moving on. But yeah, for Discord, you know, I try to make videos and it doesn't go because it's over 10 megabytes, which is a minute. So then I'll re-record it. And then it's like, sometimes I'll just do a 2-3 minute video and then share a link so y'all can see it. But yeah, for my VIP group, man, I do some really good update videos. All right, so here, my YX finally died. Possible. See here. Oh, LOL. I thought, why isn't Joe moving? But he looks too tired to be on the camera. No, actually, my camera. Look at that. Thanks, Elgato. Hashtag NoGato camera. This camera always messes up on me, regardless of what computer I have it on. It's a NoGato camera. Thanks. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. All right. Very good. All right. Let's see here. That's it on this. Let's go to USDUC. Price was up here. We're saying, you know, you can add to your entry. More than likely come down here, which would be nice, you know, nice little retrace, then potentially come up. Came all the way down here, and this is an area that, again, we're looking at for potential bounce, potentially bouncing. And right now, this right here would be high risk to enter. So it's yellow. The reason for that is because it didn't do a pivot yet. When it makes a pivot, when it does this, and let's do this in, I guess, white. When it does this and it breaks this, this is when you want to enter. This is safer. But if you want, more gains, higher risk, higher reward, because this could easily go like this and then come down. So if we break below this level, it's a sad face. All right. Let's see here. Money. Let's look at money. Oh, yeah. Money. This is when I said that it rugged, but somebody said that they migrated. So that's that. Clash. Clash, we're looking at Clash. Here where we're saying yellow is very aggressive. Price was here. If you wanted to, very aggressive. It could continue going up. Granted, we saw it or it was brought to our attention right over here. And I'm like, I don't know. It's right at resistance. There's liquidity, sell pressure, blah, blah, blah. Right now, I wouldn't do it. I'd wait for a retrace. Hopefully it bounces here. And what happens? It goes 300%. 300% from when we saw it. And it's just my risk management. Like I didn't want to do it. Sure enough, we saw it here again. I said, all right, what? Wow, I just yawned. But y'all didn't see me. Why? Because my camera, the Nogado camera is, it's here. But yeah, so here, price was here. I'm thinking, okay, fine, we can probably retrace and come up. And it said, nope, it went up another so much percent. And then here it's like, geez, man, doesn't want to come down. Well, if you really, really want to, I wouldn't. But if you really, really want to, you could enter now, which is aggressive. Hopefully it retraces and then, comes up and then starts doing this number to where it starts making higher highs. This one, man, does not give up. It came down really nice. Let's see, what was the percentage on this? Price range tool from the top to the bottom. 60%. Holy moly. It pulled back 60% just to say, people, we are not doing a rug pull. Let's go. Come on, George. Do a tweet. Bingo, bango. So now we have to be very careful. What we don't want is we do not want price action to break below this level. If it breaks below this level, we are in danger. We're in danger because now it could come down under here, and let's go ahead and do this to where it's nice and fat, and we'll do a blue because now what could happen, see prices here, it could do something like this, and then here, and then now this serves as resistance, and then now it continues coming down, but then we just have to wait for it to break to the upside for us to enter the trade. Hopefully it's still alive, and hopefully it doesn't just rug everybody. So that's my thought process right there. Let's see here. Anything else? I don't see anything else. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know, or forever hold your peace. Let's go to this one. Man, my folders are blank. They're not even yellow. I don't know what's up with my computer. I'm not clicking any buttons or anything I'm not supposed to be clicking on. Let's do karma. So I'm guessing. I don't know. There wasn't a lot of info given. Hey, we got John 316 in the house. What's up, John? Appreciate you, man, being here. Right now, the Nogado camera is on. Thanks, Elgato. The Nogado camera. Thanks. But I don't know which one it is. There wasn't any information provided that I could use in reference to karma. Always the who, what, where, when, why, especially if there's coins like this, because it absolutely just stops the show. Right now we're rocking and rolling, but for this one, yes, you did put Ethereum, Solana, whatever, but like, which one is it? Market cap 10.3 million was introduced 3 months ago, especially if there's a lot like this. See, it's Dex Tools. All right, well, I'm just going to find anyone. Karma unsold. Okay. So let's go charting. And I think Dex Screener. Let's see. I don't know if I have one Dex Tools. I don't know if this is the same thing you're talking about. Contract address, anything, you know, just to make it easy. But Karma, I believe it's this one. Top one. Okay. So I believe it is this one. So we're going to click on this one. So and you have to be very careful too, because look at this. We have Karma. We have Karma. We have this one that took off, you know, the A, just trick you. Then we have these, and they have different, everything, stuff's different. You know, this one's 4 months old. So let's come over here to this one. And market cap is 4.3 million. Daily. Yeah, see, I don't do these coins. Road Dog, he loves these coins. He'll throw 50 bucks in. I won't. Because these can go to zero. Big time. It's Crypto Change Me. What's up, buddy? No camera today. The El Gato camera said, no joke, it's going to be a El No Gato camera. So it's messed up. I even rebooted the computer and everything. This camera, man, I'm not gonna. Let's go 4 hour. It doesn't matter if it's on my brand new computer or my other computer. Hate it. It's in neobank. I don't know. Yeah, man, I don't like these. Can you make money off of them? Sure. Road Dog loves this stuff. For me, it's too risky, man. I don't know how to say it. For me, it's just way too risky. Scared money don't make no money. You know, y'all have heard that story. And I got scared money because, I mean, right now it looks good for an entry. What's the pullback? 50%. If you can stomach 50%, then you're good. I can't. So you would enter right now. And again, the very low market cap coin. So this could give you a 2, 3, 5x fairly easy, just depending on, you know, the people who are behind it, you know, the community. But I can't stomach 50%. But here you would enter. Let's put this color to white because blues are my entries. And then we have a lower entry, about 41%, 42%. Right here, lower entry. And, you know, the moon is the target. You know, you could easily, well, I wouldn't say easily, but this could move significantly. But for me, like this stuff, I don't mess with this. I got burned so many times from these coins. Yeah, again, can they make you money? Sure. But I don't do it. DJ and Brian says, it's a bank to swap your crypto into fiat and send to your normal bank. Well, then that I like. I also, the app's coming. Very nice. It's not a meme. It's neobank, Joe. Listen to me. Listen to me, darn it. Website. Man, I don't like doing that. See, if it was on, maybe it's here. Karma. Was it this one? Maybe. Website. I don't think this is the right one. I don't know. Probably isn't. 34. No, it's not the right one. Oh well. X account. Yeah, man, I don't like looking at all this Like all this stuff right here is how you can get scammed by clicking on these buttons. I'm very scared. Scared money don't make no money, but I don't click buttons. And if I get hacked, Karma Wallet, ring blah blah. Here's Switzerland. Been around since May, so 5 months and they only have 5,000 followers. Not good. Choosing Karma Pay. I like it. Karma meets real world. Let's see here. It's the right one. Okay. You have been hacked. No. Start swapping by Karma, Telegram, documentations coming soon. Blinded by the light. Ramp, on and off ramp. Connect your Phantom wallet. Yeah, for any of this stuff, like connecting your wallet, I would create a new Phantom wallet. I'm just very cautious. I think it looks cool, but again, DYOR, do your own research and be very careful with the links you click on, etc., etc. All right. Any other coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. If not, I will go back to eating my grapes. I was eating some grapes. Delicious. Delicious. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Oh, yeah. Joe, you haven't even done Bitcoin. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin. All right, so here's Bitcoin. 15-minute time frame. Last night on the Crypto Coin Mindset channel, CCM channel, price was here. I was saying that I'm thinking, I don't know, but I'm thinking price might go down to around this level. Who knows? Then come up, come down to the bottom of this zone before potentially going up, faking everybody out, coming up way up here, and then coming down. That's what I'm thinking. Price did come down here, right to the area that I was thinking. Then it came up, but instead of pivoting here, it went higher. This is showing strength. Not liking it. We do a fib retracement from the low to the high. This is 50%, and I made videos on this. So if you're not in my VIP, you're missing out. If you are not in the free Discord, you're missing out. If you are not in my free portion of the Patreon, you're missing out. All those, the links you can find in the description. It's to my link tree, and it has all those links for you. But here, price pulled back to the 50%, and it's like, okay, cool. Well, what's going to happen now? And it pulls back down here below the 618, starts coming up to the 618, okay. And then here, I made another video for my VIP group and Discord, letting them know this right here is decision point. Because right now it's starting to show strength. And if we go to the upside from the decision point, because I mean, if we pull from here to here, it's about 50% from the top to this bottom. And what we don't want to do is we don't want it to continue going up, coming down, and then breaking this pivot. We break this pivot, there's a really strong chance we're going to start working our way to the upside and get stopped out. I had an aggressive entry over here, and then I had a higher entry right here, and I thought this number was pretty cool. So this was my, and this right here is actually somewhere right in here. It's actually close to this, where I'm thinking we're going to pivot. So this was my other entry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was my additional entry, but it didn't come up. You know, I'm thinking here it would come up and then boop, but it didn't. But now that it's doing this number and more time is passing, now it's looking to where here I'm thinking, we might do this number. And if so, I move my stop loss here. But what I want to see is I want to see this rollover again, decision point. I want to see the rollover and then it break the level. It breaks the level. We're good. This is aggressive entry because we're still in this box. Once we break below this box, let's extend this. Once we break below this box, then we're safe or safer entry. But again, it can't just, just come down really hard. It has to do like a retest or the breakout of a retest. What does that mean, Joe? Breakout of a retest. Well, we don't want to see something like this. Boom. We don't want to enter that. We want to enter something like where it comes down, then up, then down, then up, then down. This, we came down, we came up, and then we broke this. This is when we enter. Because now more than likely when we go, it'll come up to here or maybe even here and then continue to the downside. So that's what how I enter trades. All right, moving on. All right. So right now, price came down, came a little bit lower, breaking up. We're trying to exit this zone. If now, so again, these are all just levels that I'm looking at. And I did enter a short. Some people say, right now doing a short is very high risk, which it is, hands down, 100%. Why? Well, we're really close. All-time high. We're really close. FOMO City. We're really close to everybody just going, you know what? I'm going to just make these trades go up and just buy. So here, I'm looking at this level. We create another one. Still looking at this level because they're really close. Then we have this level. Now I get this and I move it over. I do not want this price action to start breaking this level. Why? All this is market structure. Like all this stuff that I'm showing you is market structure. It's pivots. It's level by level. So what I would like to see, especially, with the fib retracement from the top to the bottom, right around here, decision point again. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see the price action right now continue coming down, then up, then here, come down, then up, and then boop, let's go. Moon mission to the downside, let's go. What I do not want to see is I do not want to see the price go up, get rejected. Well, it probably won't go that high. I don't want to see price go up, do a lower high from the previous pivot, come down, do a higher low, and now bingo bango to the upside, stopped out. This is on my aggressive entry. This is what I don't want to see. But I'm looking out for it because I know that anything can happen. Now, granted, let's go 4-hour time frame. We just went up and up. Nice retrace. Up and up and up and up and up and up. No retrace. Up and up and up and up. No retrace. Up and up and up. Very tiny retrace. Up and up and up and up and up and up. This is unsustainable. This is literally going 500 miles an hour and a turn is about to come up and you're not letting off the gas. You're not downshifting. You're just, oh no, I can take it. Are you sure? You're going to crash and burn. Be careful. Now price came down barely and it's trying to come up. Now granted, we are the weekend, so the volume is lower. Oh yeah, let me do double click. Volume is lower. You can see that here. We have the market makers trying to push this sucker up. And what they're doing is there's a lot of people that are shorting. There's a lot. Whenever we get close to all-time highs or at all-time highs, a lot of people short. How many people are in here? I'm gonna check. Okay, not bad. Thank you for the likes. You guys are great. You guys are absolutely great. All right, let's see here. Oops, wrong one. Come over here. Let's see here. DJ and Brian says, I don't like clicking on links. I don't. Man, I'm so cautious with my computers. I'm cautious with my money. I'm cautious with all my hot wallets. Man, I am so leery of because you hear stories, man. Like you really do. Unicorn fart dust. That guy, he clicked on a link to, because somebody was saying, hey, yeah, we want to help you promote your coin. Let's do a screen share together, and you can tell me about your company and what you're doing for the crypto space, and blah blah blah. And he clicked on the link, and that link wiped out. I think he had like $1 million in worth of unicorn fart dust. Now, granted, he said he wasn't going to sell or nothing like that, but it's pretty awesome to say I got $1 million, and they wiped it. And then, shoot, I think mine went to zero. And it was just holding it on my Solana wallet, I believe. Oh, in reference to your link tree. Oh, always need the who, what, where, when, why. I'm telling you. One day you'll get it. Jesse, it took him months and months and months to get it. Like a lot of months. Like, Jesse, I know what you're talking about, man. Who, what, where, when, why. But Joe, you were just talking about, I have different subjects that I talk about by the time I get to the chat. I don't know what you're talking about. Lunchable Connoisseur, my buddy. What's up, man? My buddy just lost $2,500 yesterday from a Twitter link for a new coin. Yep. I'm telling you guys. Telling you. I'm very careful with all this stuff. Now, granted, I just clicked on a link that I didn't want to click on, but anytime you're connecting your wallet, and same thing with last cycle, when there was all these, Web3 games and everything else, play the game, you earn coins, blah, blah, blah. What I was doing, I would create a new wallet or a sub wallet in that wallet, but usually it was a new wallet. And then that way I can play the game. And then if it was a wallet only for games, for each game, I would create a wallet for that one game. I would do a sub wallet. Yeah, it's scary. I'm telling you guys, I've been around the block. Chris says, hey, Joe, so glad you're on later today. My parents came to visit today. Otherwise, I've been here earlier. Well, I'm very happy that your parents came. You're very lucky that you have parents. I'm very happy that they, talk to you and you talk to them. For those that have their parents, call them and just say, Mom, I love you. You did a great job. And that's it. They're going to ask you, what do you need? They're going to ask you, are you okay? Are you in trouble? But that's all you have to say. Mom, you did a great job. And if you have a dad, same thing with your dad. Dad, I'm very happy, and you made me the man I am today. So thank you. And that's it. Not I need money or anything else or nothing. Just thank you. Goes a long way. All right. See, DJ Brian says, Jesse, oh no, don't go imperative me. I tell you what, do the who, what, where, when, why every single time, and you will stand on your own pedestal. I'm telling you that right now. All right. You're super grateful to have them. Yeah. Yep. Very lucky too. Very lucky. All right. So for Bitcoin, it's been moving up. I thought we were going to pull back here. Well, I thought here. But here it was this a pullback, which was fine. And then I'm thinking we're going to come up. This is like old drawings. I don't know if I still have them. You're probably not interested in seeing them. But, my old drawings were something like this, to where we come up to about here. We come down. We come up. We come down. And this is my old drawings, my old thought process. And then we just blasted right through it. So then here, I'm thinking, okay, fine, something like this. And we just blasted right through it. It's like, okay, here, now I'm bullish, because now I'm thinking we're going to do this. But it kept on going up. So here I am bullish. However, I'm waiting for this pullback. I want to see this pullback to see where it finds support and then starts breaking the highs. Because what could easily happen, does something like this, and then breaks the low, breaks the low, breaks the low, breaks the low, Holy smokes. What just happened? Yeah, that just happened. What I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the price to come back down and do this number and then break that high and then break this high and then now all-time high. And of course, retrace and then continue on. That's what I'm looking for. I don't want to see it continuing to go up, because the higher it goes, the closer we are to potentially the rollover. Let's see here. So I don't have any coins. So I guess that'll be the show. And we'll do DGen song. DGen Brian wanted a rock song, a metal song about thrashing. Don't thrash my crypto wallet. So just to let y'all know, it is a metal song per request. It is a metal song. So just let you know. I'll give you all about 2 minutes. If y'all have any coins you want me to do, let me know. Please don't give me like 10 of them, 1 or 2 per person. Or questions. If you have any questions, please let me know. And that way I can answer them for you. I really don't like it when I don't have my camera. However, I really enjoy it because, well, I'm not blinded by the light. Not blinded by the light. All right. So DJ and Brian saying, put the song on, Joe. We're tired of your voice. Okay. Oh, man, I would have had a coin. All right. See here, going on the list. Chris, that's very bittersweet. Yeah. Quality time. So it's about. All right, we got 1 more minute. 1 more minute. You guys are the absolute best. So once again, the song is about don't thrash my crypto wallet. So let's do STX, AVAX on the 15-minute period. Okay, so we're going to do those 2, and then that is going to be all. We're going to do those 2, and that's going to be all. Let's go to YouTube, and let's do STX. I really do like STX. And let's go to sources and Blowpin. So these are the only 2 we're going to do, and then we're going to go to the song. So this one, I'm surprised it's coming down. I thought it would be bouncing here, but to me, STX looks great. Now, depending on how you trade, you could enter now, because this is a really nice retracement. You could enter now, and what I would do, man, I just have a stop loss. I'd have a stop loss. Let's go from here to here. So my stop loss, hopefully it's fairly tight. Yeah, not bad. About 3%. So here is where my stop loss would be. So we'll do a stop loss right here. And if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. For this one, I do a 6, 7, between a 6 and 8 X leverage. Copy. Go over here to this. Let's go to paste. And then, and I would, let me see, 1 hour. It's 30 minute. Let's do 30 minute. Okay. So for this one, where's this? I wouldn't enter right now. I'm really close to entering though. Probably gotta wait. I want to see a 30-minute candle close above this level. Okay. Let's see here. Let's do this magnet tool. Let's go to 2. So what I would do is I would set an alert right here. And I'm actually going to set this alert at 0.6015. Then the 30-minute candle needs to close above this level, which is approximately 0.5987. So the 30-minute candle needs to close above this number right here, 0.5987. If it does, then we can enter the trade. But I would need to wait. because we might bounce here. You know, if you want, you can put it really, really tight, but we may come down more and maybe even bounce here before going up. So that's that one. Let's go to the last one, which is AVAX. AVAX looks much better because it actually broke it. So this one I would enter. Let me zoom out. Let's delete all this mumbo jumbo. Okay. Very nice retracement. 4 hour. Had this nice trend line that we broke underneath. So we're underneath that trend line. Magnet tool, ray tool, this wick to this wick, which is perfect. We broke underneath it. We also broke underneath this level, but right now we're starting to get above it. We have a zone right here. It's our bounce zone potentially. Let's go to a 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see that we broke this level. Got 8 minutes to go. What I would do on this one, I want to see where this candle closes. If the candle closes underneath this level, I'm not entering. And the level we're referring to is 30.039. If it closes underneath here, I'm not entering. If it closes above it, I'm entering. And the stop loss, if I were to enter for this one, and I do like it, let's just say it closes here. My stop loss would be about 1%. A nice little, and yes, I do see this. I mean, if you want to, let's just do this. No. Okay, because it might come for this. But then if it comes for this, why won't it come for this? All you liquidity traders out there. We'll just leave it at 2.5. And this one, we could do a, oh, I forgot to put the number on the thing. Dang it. We'll do this one the same, like 6 to 8. Nothing too crazy. Let's see here. Stop loss. Stop loss. And then this one will be 6 to 8. 6 to 8. X. Long. Okay. But only if it closes right here. So let's put a note. Let's see here. Enter only if current candle closes above 30.039, which is 6 minutes. Now, I want you to notice one thing. I am extremely particular about my entries. there is 0% chance you could misinterpret my entries. There's a lot of other traders out there, you know, they have big groups and they have people paying them a lot of money, and they are very vague with their answers on setups. And the reason they're so vague is because, well, if you enter on the 30-minute, well, you're supposed to wait for the hour to close. Oh. And then if you wait for the hour to close and it moved, well, you're supposed to trade on the 3-minute. Oh. So their rules, they have so many rules that they can accommodate to whatever works, if that makes sense. So here, we're on the 30-minute time frame. We have 5 minutes left to go. Are we going to wait that long? No, we're going to jam out to DJ Brian's song, the middle version. We're going to jam out. But here, 0% chance that you could misinterpret. I have the leverage. I have the stop loss, 29.321. Joe, your big head's in the way. Even when you're not here, you're here. Sorry. There you go. But only if this kind of closes above this level. If it closes below it, nope. We got to wait. So here's the thing. Let's make this a little bit clearer. And let's put this. If candle closes under level mentioned, then readjust readjust the level to current candle close. So what does that mean? Well, that means that this, we would move it from where it's at to here. And then now we have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close above this. So hopefully that makes sense. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a dotted line here, because it's not, this is where you should move your level to. Okay, so hopefully all that makes sense. All right, guys. I was watching Metallica live in 1983 earlier. Very nice. So let's keep that rock mentality going, and let's jam out to the song requested by DJ and Brian. Metal song. Don't Thrash My Crypto Wallet. Here we go. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let's go.
This is for the traders who know the pain of getting wrecked and swear they'll never let it happen again. Don't thrash my crypto wallet. Rule number one, protect the gains, don't forget. Charts don't lie, greed will kill it. Set that stop loss, keep it solid. Candlewick slicing like a double-edged blade. Market makers lurking in the shadows they've made. Over leveraged dreamers get liquidated quick. One pump, one dump, one dirty track. Fear and greed, the oldest game. If you chase the green, you'll feel the flame. Risk management is the holy law. Without a plan, you'll lose it all. Take profit fast before it's too late. Respect the chart, don't gamble your fate. Remember this when the red candle fly. Only the disciplined traders survive. Don't thrash my crypto wallet. Rule number one, protect the gains, don't forget. Charts don't lie, greed will kill it. Set that stop loss, keep it solid. DJ and Brian, all-time highs, won't be buying. Chasing green candles, yeah, traders be crying. Buying the top, selling the floor. New traders repeating the process like a revolving door. Trade with intuition, uncover your eyes. Support and resistance, cut through the lies. Trend lines guide the fabric trace. Greed will thrash your crypto wallet. FOMO burns like molten steel. Don't ignore the warning signs. Trade with intuition. Make it real. Risk is a weapon, don't let it aim at you. Discipline's the armor, battle tested, tried and true. Fear of missing out will drag you underground, but with strategy and focus, your gains will be found. Don't thrash my crypto wallet. Rule number one, protect the gains, don't forget. Charts don't lie, greed will kill it. Set that stop loss, keep it solid. Respect the market or get wrecked. Don't thrash my crypto wallet. Trade intuition. The chart magician.
Yeah, same thing with me. I'm trying to think, like, man, there's so many bands that this sounds like. It was a great song. Thank you, DJ and Brian. Appreciate you greatly for that request for a metal song. I love it. Five Finger Death Punch. I would agree. I would agree. They're an awesome band. There's a few bands that kind of just go with it, but yeah, I'd agree on that Five Finger Death Punch for sure. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for smashing the like. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for smashing the like on all of my videos. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon.